sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi.
Please take us through your brand new product here.
So what we have done is that we have produced a plastic jockey pulley, which is electrically power saving as well. The product with jockey pulley is significantly lighter than the metal jockey pulley as well. The best part is that this jockey pulley don't need re-greasing at all. So once you fit this jockey pulley, it doesn't need any kind of a maintenance. It's a maintenance-free product what we have developed. The second best part is that this jockey pulley is way lighter than the metal jockey pulley. So the maintenance and the cost of the particular machine is going to go on a lesser side as well.